How's it going? This is Steve Ladon from MarineMax Boston, and we are on our new 2021 285 Conquest. This boat's well equipped, has platinum hull side color, which is a genuine paint. Here in the cockpit, we have optional transom seat, which is standard. This is optional side seat. Makes for a nice entertaining space when we have the table. Great entertaining, refrigeration, sink. Your table actually stows in your bilge compartment, which is extremely clean, like all whalers. Heavy duty teak top, but batteries. This boat also has a Kohler generator. All the whalers carry the same extremely clean mechanical space. All your seacocks are always here. Nothing hidden under a cabin cushion. Makes operating and owning the boat extremely easy. Also have two large macerated fish boxes for those who are going to do more fishing. This boat is powered by twin Mercury 250 Verados. These are the new V8s, naturally aspirated. This boat also has Joystick. So painted hull, generator, joystick, very well appointed. Moving up to the Helm Deck, 16-inch Axiom screen. So this will sync up to all your autopilot through the joystick. This has a great transducer for those that want to do more fishing. Port side of the Helm Deck, you get face-to-face seating. Table here makes this a nice place to have some lunch, play some cards. And then if you're cruising, this will flip back, leg rest pops out, so you can have an aft facing seat as well. Let's head on down into the cabin. Beautiful stand-up head. So 28-foot boat, you get a stand-up head with a pull-out shower. And your V-berth converts to a sleeping area for two. Table drops down. Then you also have a nice aft cabin, plenty of space to, do an overnight or a weekend with a couple. And we've got a full galley. This has the cruising package, so we've got TV, microwave, another refrigeration system, and a cooktop. Great boat for fishing, cruising, overnighting. For more information on this boat, give me a call at 774-991-3880. It's in the water, ready to go for a ride. Thank you.